There's a ferret, Cody. Move. There's a ferret. He's in the bed, Cody. Move. Move. Cody, move. I can't see him, Cody. He just woke me up. Ferret found the tripod bag. You silly ferret. You love this one, Ferret. Look at him, Cody. Can you get in there, Cody? Is he gonna play with you in sleepy time, Cody? It's not night time, Cody, man. You tell that ferret, what are you doing up? What time is it, Ferret? 1:30 in the morning, Ferret. Yeah, some of us night owls still sleep around 1 o'clock in the morning. I was just dozing off. What's that ferret doing, Cody? What's he doing? There's a ferret. Crazy ferret. He loves this, dude. He didn't know this was gonna be out here. He was just taking a nap. Be nice, Cody. You and the ferret are getting equal airtime. Don't get jealous, Cody. Cody's so jealous. Ooh-wee. What's that ferret doing, Cody? He loves this blankie, Cody. I bet you that's where he's gonna sleep tonight. Where do you think he's gonna sleep, Cody, man? It's near his food, what's in his old cage. That ferret used to sleep in that cage at night. Once in a while he'd poop in there, but now he's a free-range ferret. He goes out in the wild, the ferret man. The elusive ferret. We last saw this ferret about 12 hours ago making his rounds through the woods. The woods of the rough wild. Where'd he go, Cody? Oh, Cody's all relaxed. Cody's got my leg pillows. Where's the ferret, Cody? Where's the ferret, Cody? See him. Man. Oh, I see Cody on the couch. I see Cody, my little original movie star, Cody. You're still the original star, Cody. Look how wet your hair is from earlier. That was from the downpour we had in the garage. Cody was out there being brave, getting ready to storm chase into a tornado. But the tornado-like thing got a little close and he got soaked. Cody, you got messy hair, Cody. You gotta need a haircut, Cody, man. I have a new vacuum video for Cody, man. He's gonna test the Dyson vacuum. Oh, I see Doof. There, Doof. What you doing, Doof? Where you at, Doof, man? Oh, it's okay, Cody, jealous boy. There goes Doof. Doof's looking for a ferret. I hope Doof ain't gonna... What are you guys doing? Cody, you're acting weird, Cody. What the heck's wrong with Cody, Doof? Cody's acting like he's never had attention before. Look at Doof. You better give him attention, Doof. Cody's gonna get all mad at you, Doof. He's gonna lock you out of the house, Doof. You're gonna have to live outside. Oh, look who's here. I am surrounded by unconditional love. Yeah, Roogie don't give a shit. Unconditional animal love, right, Cody, man? Cody, what you doing, Cody? Where's the ferret? Where's the ferret, Roog? Roogie don't care. Where's the ferret? Cody, smile, smile. Cody, smile. Smile, Cody. There's a smile, Cody. Can you smile, Cody? Telling him it's a puppy. The smile is a snarl. So he looks very, very intimidating. Smile, Cody. Smile, Cody. Smile. Anyways, when Cody smiles, he lifts his lips. I thought I just heard a Ferret. I thought I just heard a Ferret, Cody, man. Can you do the smile? Can you do the chicken smile, Cody? Doof, with your little... Doof has got a Mickey Mouse pattern on the back of his head. Disney should be buying Doof's babies. And they can make real Disney Doofs. Disney Doof. Disney Doof. I see the Disney Doof. Wait, that's Cody, man. Where's the Ferret, Cody? You didn't eat him, Cody, did you? Your tummy feels a little full there, Cody, man. What about you, Roog? What are you thinking about the news today, Roog? Yeah, that's what I thought. Ain't good? We're fighting off an eye infection. See that? No more pus. You know why? Because we dabbled with a little colloidal silver. Yeah, you don't like it because it's cold. But, that being said, it's cold and torturous. His eye is all cleared up again. Roogie, how did you do it, Roog? What say you, Cody, man? What says Cody? What say you, Cody, man? Where'd the Ferret go, Cody? Where's the Ferret, Cody, man? This is Wag Chicago. I'm out of here. I can't find animals. They all went back to bed. Wag Chicago. I'm out.